This is straight just for that, eh? Are you guys gonna get it off? You got a forklift?
No. Brand new trunk floor with braces. Brand new outer wheel wheels. Brand new inner wheel wheels. Brand new rear deck panel filler. Brand new, and they just started making these, ladies and gentlemen, new quarter panels for the Monte Carlo. They just started making these, and we got them here first. Dude told me, he might have just been selling it to me, but he told me, he was like, hey man, listen, you're the first person to get one of these in the United States. Well, actually 2 of them. The delivery guy say, man, you guys are making a whole new car. Patches, you replace it with brand new stuff. That's how you do it. That's how you want it to look, guys. Back in the factory location, you need brand new sheet metal. Okay, outer wheel well housing, inner wheel well housing, trunk floor drop down, full trunk floor, all new metal. Coming soon, man. Lift this piece up with me. New trunk floor installed. Custom trunk floor installed.
Chevelle trunk floor going in Monte Carlo.
It's the trunk floor drop down pan, separate piece by itself that attaches to the trunk floor. This is the factory piece of the Monte Carlo. But look at that line up. It's showing you what good work it was on this year. Now, brand new inner and outer wheel tubs. The wheels to the factory location. Look at the guys lined up here. The front end. All the way down. Like that's what you want to see. Look at those seams. Single tap holding in place. But look how tight those, before anything is fully welded in. That's what you want to see. Good one.
bring it up front. Yeah, just leave it up there for now.